Hello. And the other one? Yeah. You make in another Gmail Milan, another video, another mobile. Don't minsan nandiyan mahal kita. Ang mahal kita is ninja na pero ang main channel niya katong gibaba niya. Mahal kita. Katong feast days nga isa. Sino to kanin? Yun yung original na feast days. Toy, wala mo na signal. Cellphone ako. Makapasal baka ni sa inig ko ani upaw mo maot mo kayo upail. Dato ni. Mura ni katong tong Ma'am Patricia sa una nga bilisan ako. Hala, unsa man ni mga dagkong bato? Sir David, this is a cemetery, Sir David. Ano na feast days? This cemetery? This cemetery? I put the music. But no music.
The video. I know this place, cemetery.
Yeah, this is feast days.
So the lady, she was a former, I think, Allentown City Council.
Cemetery, right?
Video. And she said, "Thank you." All this was a standard. You can't even see nothing here. They're still fixing it a little bit. You can't even see
Feast days. I'm here,
So anyway.
Wala pa rin nag-arrangement ilang kon dito lang. Ilang lubnganan.
Of the Allentown. And somebody or someone.
And the day you was born, you was.
So the lady sent me an email.
Feast days, I'm here now, man.
She told me, "Oh, I know that place." What happened is they shut down this.
Guys, I know, God. Because I'm very sleepy, guys.
I think maybe 15, 20 years ago, they closed it, and they.
Yeah, guys, this feast days, guys, okay? Please support on her channel, guys.
So she went to the city council.
And don't forget to connect for Pupa Wheel, guys, okay? For Pupa Wheel.
Say, "Oh, thank you so much for this, for that." She's up there. They keep it clean all the time. But they need to work more.
Mama Labil ka to ni imong salida nga wala day ko tanaw ano. Oh,
reality, you have a little stone right here. You can't see it. See? Right here.
Right there. Just I watching. Sa kuan sige gana
yeah. That used to be abandoned. Whoa, man. So I used to have my other channel. I make a video. Like I say, they recognize my video. They recognize the cemetery.
My new video coming on Monday, 2 videos. Oh wow, okay, I'm waiting. I'm here. I will share this feast days, okay? Guys, I'm sleepy now, guys. I want to sleep, guys. Thanks for staying in my live stream, and thank you for my super chatter.